Hello everyone, this is Peachy Creator back with another Minecraft video. Today we're going to be unboxing this minecart that I got from Target the other day. My friend HungerGamesKing has been getting a lot of views for his unboxing videos, and I wanted to try and steal his idea and get his views off of him. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I'm gonna take out my unboxer here and let the unboxing begin. And we're done. Let's take a look at this beautiful minecart here. It's nice and silver. It's a silver model, and you could also ride it. You can't ride cars that you buy on Amazon, but you can ride this minecart in Minecraft because, that's how minecarts work. And there's a pressure plate here. I'm pretty sure it said start the engines before I destroyed it when I was unboxing. So let's see what happens when we start the engines. I'm sure something epic is going to happen. What? You have been caught for stealing ideas. You are sentenced to a lifetime in prison. Please do not try to escape. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please make sure to dislike the video.